you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. That's right, I'm so excited when I bring new things to you. And today is going to be a box of jerks. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So April box of jerks just arrived. They did get a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their subscription box. And I absolutely love beef jerky. So I'm like, yes, I would love to see your box. Because if you're a beef jerky loving fan like me, or you know somebody who loves beef jerky, this would be an amazing subscription or a gift idea. Mother's Day, Father's Day, any time of day, a birthday, an anniversary. You could always give the gift to somebody, or you can purchase a subscription yourself and share with your family, friends, that kind of thing. But let's go ahead and find out about this company. You guys know when I first bring a box to my channel, I tell you everything that I can find about it first, and then we'll dive in so we kind of know what to expect. So again, this company is called Box of Jerks. Jerks, like beef jerky. They even have shirts on their website if you wanted to check out their merch. They have some of their shirts that you can purchase on their site individually, and you can purchase the gift or the regular subscriptions for this box, and there's 3 different options. So the ultimate beef jerky box. Be a jerk. Take the ultimate jerky journey without leaving your doorstep. Get craft jerky from around the country delivered to your mailbox each month. Every month, Box of Jerks features unique craft beef jerky brands that are full of flavor and character. We curate the kinds of beef jerky that are truly unique from smaller regional producers, the kind that you will not find at your local grocery store. So how do we find the jerky? We partner with craft suppliers throughout the USA. We not only sample our selections, we also like to know their stories. So basically, every single month, you will have a new selection of beef jerky items from different places throughout the United States. So they're going above and beyond to find them, and they're sending them directly to your door. So all you have to do is just sign up and relax and get the box and just enjoy what comes to you. So again, there's 3 different levels. There's the little jerk. That one is 3 bags of beef jerky delivered to your door. Shipping is $5. You can auto renew and cancel at any time. That one is $22.75. Then there is the typical jerk. That one is $34.75, and you'll get 5 bags of beef jerky. $5 shipping on that one as well. And then there's the big jerk. The big jerk has 7 bags. It's $50.75, and that one is free shipping. So the 2 smaller ones, you pay $5, and then the biggest one has free shipping. Welcome to Box of Jerks, the premium craft jerky subscription box service. We're a family operation on a mission to bring top-notch jerky to the masses, and we're based proudly in Houston, Texas. All right, you guys, so now that we know about the company and what to expect, now we can dive in. I'm not sure which level they sent, so we'll just have to count how many bags are in here so we know which one that they sent. But it does come in this box, and this was in a mailer bag. I removed the mailer bag, and this was what was inside. It says, be a jerk. So when you open it up, that's what it looks like. So you have some paper, you have a card on top, and then you have your jerky. So let's see what this says. It says, Box of Jerks. We strive to bring you the best craft beef jerky month after month from the top suppliers across the USA. Follow the jerks on social media. Send us your photos so we can share with the rest of the jerks. And it does have a QR code, or you can follow them on their Instagram, which is Box of Jerks. Jerk of the month. It says, the brand's family takes great pride in the natural beef they raise. Holding true to their principles, they raise the animals without hormones, antibodies, or any other additives. This philosophy naturally extends to their gourmet jerky, and they take great care to ensure their natural beef jerky not only meets but exceeds expectations. This is why they call it true natural. You'll know the difference because you can taste the difference. They use the finest cuts of beef and source simple, natural seasonings to make a delicious and healthy source of nourishment. Their jerky has 3 generations worth of practice, passion, and perfection. And it came from Buena Park, California. I've been there several times. Knott's Berry Farm is in Buena Park. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 bags, and 5 bags is the middle tier. So this would be the typical jerk, the one for $34.75 and $5 shipping. So the first thing we have is beef jerky. It's just traditional beef jerky. And I'm definitely going to be tasting these, you guys. I'm telling you, I absolutely love beef jerky. I do. And it's so hard to find a good jerky anymore. So I'm really, really excited about this subscription here. Okay, so I'm just going to pull a little piece off. Ooh, that smells so good. Oh, wow. That tastes amazing. Ranch style traditional. That tastes good. So the next one, it says beef jerky barbecue mesquite flavor wicked cuts. So let's get this one open. So this one you can see what the beef jerky looks like, because you can't see through the package on this one. There's that. Let me just make that a little bit smaller piece because I got 5 of these to try. That's different because you're getting the sweet from the barbecue. That is definitely a different flavor. Okay, so here's another one. This is tri-tip beef jerky, smokin' southwestern. Let's get this guy opened. So I'll just take a little piece off of this. Tri-tip. The tri-tip has a different consistency. It's nice. And the other one's more softer. This one is just a little bit thicker of like a normal beef jerky consistency. But that is really good. That's some good flavor. I'll keep eating it. Okay, put you down. There's still 2 more. Okay, so this one says premium beef cooked tender, the original booze infused beef jerky, the boozy jerky, mango habanero ale beef jerky made with real beer. Wow, that is cool. Oh, I like the packaging too. The packaging's really cute on this one. So let's see. Ooh, it smells good. That's what it looks like on the inside. The habanero, the heat is coming in as I keep chewing. It got more and more intensified. I don't mind the heat. I love heat and spice. So, and it still keeps coming. It's getting hotter. I still love a good heat. Let me just tell you, I just don't have no water around me. But that is a good heat. Just be prepared. You're getting a little more, it kicks afterwards. So, I'm not really tasting a whole lot of mango or the beer, but those flavors are very, very good. And I like that. So there's that. I like how it's such a huge variety of flavors too. It's not just one kind of beef jerky. So this one says tong jerky. Tong. And this one is honey pepper teriyaki. I can definitely see all that pepper in there. The honey gives it just enough sweet, and then the pepper gives it a little kick. And then you have a little bit of the teriyaki, which all of it together is a very good blend. That's a good blend. I like that. This one's not as spicy as the habanero one. It has a perfect little good kick to it with enough of that teriyaki and the honey for the sweetness. So this one's a really good combination. That is really good. So going over this box one more time, we have the honey pepper teriyaki. We have the mango habanero ale made with beer. You have a tri-tip, and that one is the smokin' southwestern. You have the beef jerky, that is the barbecue mesquite flavor. And then you have the traditional, which is a really good flavor on there as well. So that is everything that came in this typical jerk box, you guys. What did you think of the items that came inside? What do you think of the concept where every month you're gonna get new beef jerky from a different small batched company, not these huge places that you're gonna find in retail stores, grocery stores, that kind of thing. These are like the hidden gems throughout the USA that they find and bring to your door. I really like that because then every month you're trying out new and exciting jerky. It's not just from the same company. And I really like the concept, I do. So you guys, let me know, what do you think of this? Do you think it's a good idea to get new beef jerky every single month? What do you think of this box? What do you think of the pricing? Let me know all the details down below. Positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on the gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.